welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. Now here is your answer. You will get daily one video related to different subjects. It will help you and your child understand the topic easily. In your channel, there are videos related to subjects like mathematics, English grammar, general knowledge, social science and science. So today we will see video related to the subject social science. In that today's topic is natural disasters. Now let's see natural disasters. Natural disasters are, as the name suggests, caused by the forces of nature, and they are disastrous. Oftentimes, natural disasters leave death and destruction in their wake. People who are caught in them are left with injuries, destroyed homes, and missing loved ones. There are many types of natural disasters, including drought, earthquake, flooding, hurricane, tornado, tsunami, volcanic eruption, and wildfire. Now let's study them. So natural disasters can be classified as geological disaster, hydrological disasters, meteorological disasters, wildfires, and space disasters. So first we will see about the geological disasters. So in geological disasters, there are natural disasters like landslides, earthquakes, sinkholes, and volcanic eruption. So let's study them in detail. So landslides. A landslide is a large amount of earth, rock, and other material that moves down a steppy slope. Landslides happen when a layer of earth or rock separates from the layer below it. Landslides can be heavily destructive. Next is earthquake. Earthquakes are the shaking, rolling, or sudden shock of the earth's surface. They are the earth's natural means of releasing stress. The next one is sinkholes. Sinkholes are pits in the ground that form in areas where water gathers without external drainage. The next is volcano. A volcano is a landform where molten rock erupts through the surface of the planet. In simple terms, a volcano is a mountain that opens downward to a pool of molten rock, that is magma, below the surface of the earth. The next classification is hydrological disasters. In that, the natural disasters are floods, tsunami, limnic eruptions. So let's study them in detail. Floods. A flood is an overflow of water on land which is usually dry. Sometimes a river receives too much extra water, either from heavy rain or other natural disasters. When this happens, the water overflows from its normal path in the river bed and onto dry lands. Next is tsunami. A tsunami is a large ocean wave usually caused by an underwater earthquake or a volcanic explosion. Tidal waves are caused by the forces of the moon, sun, and the planets upon the tides, as well as the winds as it moves over the water. The next is limnic eruption. Landslides are the suspected triggers, but a volcanic eruption, an earthquake, or even wind and rainstorms are potential triggers. Another possible cause of a limnic eruption is gradual gas saturation at specific depth, which can trigger gas development. The next one is classification on the basis of meteorological disasters. In that, the first one is cyclonic storm, blizzards, hailstorms, ice storms, cold waves, heat waves, droughts, thunderstorms, and tornadoes. So let's study them in detail. The first is cyclonic storm. A tropical cyclone is a circular storm that forms over warm oceans. When a tropical cyclone hits land, it brings heavy rains and strong winds. Next is blizzards. Blizzards are dangerous windstorms with heavy wind and blowing snow. They are more powerful and dangerous than regular snowstorms in order to be called a blizzard. Hailstorms, as this exceeds the freezing temperatures, causes the droplet to turn into tiny hailstones. Ice storms. Ice storms are weather phenomena caused by freezing rain. The falling rain comes into contact with the surface and turns into a thin sheet of ice. Ice storms cause accidents. Cold waves. Cold waves are weather incidents that involve cooling of temperatures and air. Cold waves can cause death and injury for animals, people, and livestock. Extreme wind cold causes freezing of water pipelines if they are poorly insulated. Heat waves. A heat wave is a long period of extremely hot weather which may be followed by high humidity. Temperatures that people from a hotter climate consider normal can be called a heat wave in a cooler area if they are outside the normal climate pattern for that area. Next is drought. A drought is when there is a lack of precipitation over an extended period of time, usually a season or more, resulting in water shortage for some activities. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm is a storm with lightning and thunder. It usually producing gusty winds, heavy rain, and sometimes hail. Next is tornadoes. Tornadoes are one of the most violent and powerful types of weather. They consist of a very fast rotating columns of air that usually forms a funnel shape. They can be very dangerous as their high-speed winds can break apart buildings, knock down trees, and even toss cars into the air. The next classification is wildfires. Wildfire is a general term which includes forest fires, grassland fires, bush fires, and any other vegetation fire in a countryside areas. The next classification is space disasters. In that there are two types, impact event and airburst. And next is solar flare. So first is solar flare. Sometimes areas of the sun which suddenly appear much brighter. These bright spots are called solar flares. They are areas where a large amount of energy is released to the surface of the sun. The next one is impact events and airburst. An impact event is a collision between objects in space. They happen regularly in planetary systems such as our solar system. They most often involve small objects such as asteroids, comets, etc. So this was all about natural disasters, their classification, and the types of natural disasters. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in a comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. If you want a video related to any particular topic or subject, then feel free to suggest us. You can also follow the channel School Studies on Facebook page, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.